In 1965, Vijay Anand directed and Devanand produced Guide that is widely considered a masterpiece of Indian cinema and among the best work of its stars Devanand and Wahida Rehman. It was also one of the highlights of the portfolio of Nerve Cartoon Films, the production house run by Devanand and his brothers Chetan and Vijay. Based on a 1958 novel by R.K. Narayan, it is set in the fictional town Malgudi that served as the location for several of Narayan's stories. The novel inspired a Broadway play and 2 films in Hindi and English. Lead actor and producer Devanand wrote in his autobiography, The English Language, the Guide that was planned first and written by Pearl Buck and directed by Tad Danielewski. Pearl Buck ran a film company together Tad Danielewski at a party during the Berlin Film Festival, where Anand's film Hum Dono was screened. After discussions, Anand agreed to star in an American production based on an English novel by an Indian author. Anand had read the novel and contacted Buck, who invited him to the United States to discuss the project. He then reached out to Narayan to secure the rights to the book.
I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Raju, the guide. You are a dancing angel. You come out of my dreams. I have known you always. You are the world's #1 artist.
During production, Indian and American teams clashed that led to Anand postponing the Hindi version. Chetan Anand left to direct the highly acclaimed Hakikat movie that was released in 1964. Guide narrates the story of a freelance guide Raju, played by Devanand, and his meeting with Rosie, played by Wahida Rehman, who is the wife of a wealthy archaeologist. Raju is of dubious character who has been earning his living by taking tourists around historic buildings and places of attraction. A wealthy archaeologist Marco comes to the town with his young wife Rosie, the daughter of a courtesan, and hires Raju.
यहीं के रहने वाले मालूम होते हैं आप?
जी।
बता सकते हैं राजू गाइड का पता कहाँ मिल सकता है?
क्यों नहीं, किसी भी बच्चे से, किसी पैसेंजर से, किसी कुली से, बल्कि मैं तो कहता हूँ बेशक रेल के इंजन से पूछ लीजिए।
मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ साहब, आपसे।
और आपकी तारीफ?
तुम्हें इससे मतलब?
किसी भले आदमी से पूछ रहे हो तो जरा अच्छी तरह से पूछो।
तुमसे कहा गया बीच में टपकने को। मारो गोली गाइड को, मैं गाइड के बिना भी काम चला लूंगा।
तुम चला लोगे, मेरा क्या होगा?
मालूम था, साथ चल रही हो मुसीबत बन जाओगे।
मालूम था तो लाई क्यों साथ?
भूल की, एक और भूल की। इस कमबख्त गाइड को चिट्ठी लिखा भी बेकार हुआ।
आप मिस्टर मार्को हैं?
आपको इससे मतलब? तुम्हें कैसे मालूम हुआ मेरा नाम?
जी गुस्ताखी माफ हो, बंदा राजू गाइड है।
ओह आई सी। तुम्हें तो देखते ही मुझे पहचान लेना चाहिए था। खैर ये बताओ, होटल का इंतजाम हुआ?
जी।
और टैक्सी का?
टैक्सी का भी हो गया। कुली।
Rosie had to give up her passion for dancing as Marco would not accept her if she continued.
मेरे और तुम्हारी माँ के घर में कुछ फर्क है, क्या तुम्हें यह भी समझाना पड़ेगा?
While Marco devotes himself to discoveries in the cave, and while Raju takes Rosie on a tours, he discovers her dancing ability and exploits her innocence. Marco returns to the caves, but Rosie discovers that Marco is having an affair with a native village girl. Raju befriends her, pressing the morality that committing suicide is a sin and that she should live to pursue her dream.
कोई मोहताज नहीं किसी का। मजबूरी नाम एक वहम का है। सोया रहे तो हर कोई मजबूर है, और जाग जाए तो पैरों में ताकत अपने आप आ जाती है। और इस ताकत को मैंने तुम्हारे अंदर भी देखा है, जिस वक्त तुमने ये बांधे थी। इसके बाद भी अगर तुम अपने आप को मजबूर समझती हो, कमजोर समझती हो, तो इसका मेरे पास कोई इलाज नहीं। बस यही अफसोस रहेगा कि क्यों मैं बार बार तुम्हें मरने से बचाता रहा। इसलिए कि कई बुज़दिल ऐसे भी होते हैं जिन्हें चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब मरना चाहिए। अगर तुम भी उनमें से एक हो तो मुझे शर्म आएगी कि मेरा तुमसे कोई वास्ता था।
Raju gives her shelter, but because of her background, Rosie is considered a prostitute by Raju's community. His mother and her brother insist that Rosie leaves, but Raju refuses and his mother leaves him. Raju's friends and driver also disagree with him.
देख राजू, तू उस औरत को अपने घर से निकाल दे। उस औरत के लिए तूने सारे शहर को दुश्मन बना रखा है। फिर एक नर्तकी का क्या धर्म ईमान, जो अपने खाविंद को छोड़ के आ सकती हो, तेरा साथ कर।
एक लफ्ज और ये दोस्ती गई।
भाड़ में गई ये दोस्ती, जो एक आवारा औरत के लिए दो दोस्तों में झगड़ा करा दे। तू बात कर।
Raju ends up losing his business with the whole town turning against him. Undeterred, Raju helps Rosie embark on a singing and dancing career. And as she becomes a huge star, but Raju starts indulging in gambling and drinking.
तो फिर राजू एक 200 ये 200 मेरे भी वही हमारे 500 आ गए।
Marco returns, but Raju's jealousy and insecurity that he may lose Rose.
खुशी हुई तुम्हें देखकर। रोजी इधर है?
Rosie, now disillusioned by Raju and his behavior, treats Raju coldly and they drift apart.
नहीं राजू, मुझे भी सब अच्छा नहीं लगता।
Rosie. Marco.
Rosie learns of the forgery release and Raju is convicted.
किसी और के साथ करते, लेकिन रोजी के साथ तुम्हें ऐसा धोखा नहीं करना चाहिए था। जब उसकी लाखों की कमाई उसकी अपनी मर्जी से तुम्हारे हाथों में थी, तो 30,000 के जेवर क्या चीज थी, जिसकी लालच में तुमने ये जाली दस्तखत की,
resulting in a 2-year sentence.
जुर्म में तुम्हें 2 साल की सजा दी जाती है।
After he's released, Raju wanders alone in despair and poverty until he finds a wandering group of sadhus with whom he spends a night at a derelict temple in a small town.
कुछ तेरा ना मेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ, दम ले ले दम ले ले दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये चिल्ला पाएगा कहाँ, वहाँ कौन है तेरा।
Bhola, who came to him with a problem, is convinced that Raju is a Swami.
जमाने के बाद इस मंदिर के भाग जागे हैं। लेकिन इसका बदलाव कैसे दे?
शादी करने से इनकार करती है।
देखिए ना, कितना अच्छा वर्ड ढूंढा था। आप अगर एक बार उसे
उसे यहाँ ले आओ, शायद ये स्वामीपन काम कर जाए।
जय हो, जय हो। स्वामी जी, स्वामी जी, स्वामी जी, आपके लिए तुच्छ उपहार ग्रहण कर लीजिए।
ये किस खुशी में भाई?
अंतर्जामी सब कुछ जानकर भी उपहास करते हैं। ब्याह की तिथि भी पक्की करके आया हूँ।
हाँ? माया का ब्याह?
हाँ,
मान गई वो?
Bhola spreads the news throughout the village and Raju assumes the role of village holy man.
धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद, मेरे धन्यवाद, इस गांव के धन्यवाद। स्वामी
There are a total of 10 spellbinding songs, each evoking intense emotions. वहाँ कौन है तेरा Musafir, Jayega Kahan to the director that went on to become the opening song. It was sung in S.D. Burman's own inimitable voice that set the tone for the whole movie.
जाएगा कहाँ दम ले ले घड़ी भर ये छैया पाएगा कहाँ वहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ वहाँ कौन है
Piya To Se Naina Lage is pathbreaker, tracing the meteoric rise of Rosie into popularity as a dancer. Rafi had originally recorded a song called Hum Hi Mein Thi Na Koi Baat, Yaad Na Tumko Asek, Tumne Hum Bhula Diya, Hum Na Tumko Bhula Sek, but later this song was replaced by Din Dhal Jaye. A drunken Raju is lamenting the distance between him and the love of his life. His face looks crushed with sorrow, and Muhammad Rafi's melancholic voice cannot be faulted for its emotive resonance to words and emotions.
ऐसे में किसको कौन मनाए दिन ढल जाए हर रात न जाए तू तो न आए तेरी याद सताए दिन ढल
The sensitive and delicate Tere Mere Sapne Ab Ek Rang Hai encapsulates love and dreams, empathy and companionship in every frame.
तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग हैं ओ जहाँ भी ले जाए राहें हम संग हैं ओ तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग हैं
Gaata Rahe Mera Dil was the last addition and was originally not in the film. Vijay Anand in an interview said they shot the song after the film was completed. He along with Devanand thought that there was no song of Kishore Kumar and Shailendra was called to write a romantic song. The song was recorded in record time.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल तू ही मेरी मंजिल है कहीं बीते ना ये रातें कहीं बीते ना ये दिन कहीं बीते ना ये रातें कहीं बीते ना ये दिन
Kya Se Kya outline the pain of a broken relationship. Shailendra's lyrics are both teasing and profound. Vijay Anand choreographs the sequence in contrasting tones, and S.D. Burman uses one basic tune to create two very different songs that beautifully convey the essence of Rosie and Raju's breakup. It has been written that climactically, the film could have stopped at Kya Se Kya. The visual magnificence of the sequence in this and the preceding song Saya Beiman make for not only the end of the Raju-Rosie relationship but also, possibly, the perfect high at which to end the film. The end of the movie is revealed with a long-lasting drought threatening the well-being of the people and animals of the town, and Raju fasts for 12 days to bring rain. Friends and Rosie unite with him and reconcile.
बोला दादा तुम्हारी बहुत कृपा होगी, जरा स्वामी जी से पूछ दो ना एक बार।
देखो, छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए स्वामी जी को परेशान क्यों करते हो? 6 दिन से उपवास कर रहे हैं हम लोगों के लिए, पानी तक नहीं छुआ। जरा सब्र से काम लो, ऐसे नहीं कर।
भोला, मैंने कितनी बार तुमसे कहा कि मेरे कोई पाँव ना छुए।
मना करने पे भी मानते नहीं है।
माँ,
बहन जी, तुमसे एक बार कहा गया कि तुम
राजू, मेरा बेटा।
स्वामी जी, ये मैडम पूछ रही हैं क्या आपने कभी प्यार किया था?
लाख मना ले दुनिया साथ ना ये छूटे टूटेगा आके मेरे हाथों में।
In a tussle between the body and the Atma, of course,
मौत
wins.
एक ख्याल है जैसे जिंदगी एक ख्याल है, न सुख है न दुख है न दीन है न दुनिया, न इंसान न भगवान, सिर्फ मैं सिर्फ मैं।
The rain comes but Raju dies with a tragic and epic ending to the movie. Guide was a highly successful film at the box office upon release and later achieved a cult following. It has since been deemed one of the best Bollywood films created of all time. It received critical acclaim, particularly for the performances of Anand and Rahman, as well as the score by S.T. Burman. Guide earned several accolades at the 14th Filmfare Awards. It won for Best Film, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Director, Best Dialogue, Best Story, and Best Cinematographer. It was entered for Best Foreign Language Film at the 38th Academy Awards, but it was not accepted as a nominee. In 2012, Time magazine listed it at number 4 on its list of Best Bollywood Classics. The film was selected as the Indian entry for the Best Foreign Language Film at the 38th Academy Awards but was not nominated. Even the award ceremony was controversial. Sachin Dev Burman, who was nominated for Best Music, and Lata Mangeshkar, who was nominated for Best Playback Singer for Aaj Phir Jeene Ki Tamanna Hai, both lost their respective awards despite being highly favored.